Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm explaining how to adopt a cat and pet it in Heartopia step by step so you don't miss anything. So let's dive in. Now first things first, before you can pet a cat, you actually need to adopt one. To unlock pets in Heartopia, you must reach DG member level 12. Once you hit that level, you're good to move on. So you can check your DG member level here. And as you can see on level 12, this is where you unlock cats. Oops, there we go. Right there. Now, after reaching level 12, you'll receive a quest from Miss Joan. She'll direct you to the adoption center. You can pull up your map. As you can see, this is Miss Joan. Now, she'll direct you to her adoption center where you can choose from 3 cats and 3 dogs. And these pets refresh daily, so you don't see a cat you like, you can always wait until the next day. And once you've chosen a cat, you'll need to pay 500 gold for a physical exam, and if the cat is healthy, you will be able to name it and complete the adoption process. After that, head back to your house and your new cat will be waiting there. Just walk up to your cat, interact with it. You'll see several options like feed, wash, and pet. But keep in mind, not every action is always available. To pet your cat, simply choose Pet Cat, and if your cat is in the right mood, you'll get a cute interaction and you'll see a mood update showing your cat purring. As a bonus tip, you can open your phone and check the pet app where you'll see your cat's mood, hunger, energy, and even a log of interactions, including when you've pet them. And that's it. That's how you pet and get a cat in Heartopia. Adopt your pet, head home, and interact when they're ready. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!